Hello students, I am Vincent Fernandez, your math teacher from Sri Sarvagna Public School. So today we are going to deal with a new lesson which is called as linear equations in one variable. So what is this linear equations and what is this one variable? So we will be trying to understand this, and the solutions to these will be dealt with later on, but let us first revise what we have already learned. We know what is an algebraic expression, right? So expression like this. Say 3x minus 7y, 2x square, etc. So these are algebraic expressions. So here there is a variable x and there is a constant 3 multiplied with x. So 3 into x, here is 3 is the numerical coefficient and x is the variable coefficient. So this together becomes one term and it is called as an algebraic expression. Similarly, minus 7y. So minus 7 is the integer which is multiplied to the variable y. Here 2x square. So 2 is the integer which is multiplied to x square, which is a variable having a power 2. So here these are examples of algebraic expressions. Now when algebraic expressions are taken with the equal to sign on the other side, then we call it as an equation. So we are equating an algebraic equation to something else. So let us do that. So here let us say 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Now this kind of an equation, so if this expression is present, we call this as an equation. Why is it an equation? Equation, this term equation means equality, right? So there is something on the left side of the equal to sign and there is something else on the right side of the equal to sign. We see here 2x plus 3 on the left side, so we call it as the left hand side. And 5 on the right side of the equal to sign, we call it as the right hand side. So here 2x plus 3 is equal to a constant term called as 5. So this is an equality. So that is the reason why it is called as an equation. So now coming to the next part, what is a linear equation? So linear means where the variable has got the highest power 1. So let us take this example again. 3x, x is a variable, right? What is its power? X to the power of 1, correct? So here this is a linear term. It is not equal to something, right? So we can't say that it is an equation. It is a linear term. Now minus 7y, y is the variable. What is its power? Its power is 1. So this is also a linear term. 2x square. Now x is the variable, but the power which is it has is 2. So it is not having a 1 as its power. So this is not a linear term. So it is something else. So we will eliminate this and we will take only the first two as a linear terms. Now coming to this example, 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. Here what is the variable? X is the variable, right? X has got a power 1. So that means that in this entire expression, the power of the variable is 1 and there is only one type of variable, x. No other variables are present. So that means that this is a linear equation in one variable. So if it is having more than one variables, then it is not coming under linear equations in one variable. As there is only one variable and the variable has got highest power 1, so that is the reason it is called as a linear equation in one variable. Now I hope you have understood this part. The solution of this will be taken up in the next class. But before that, some more examples of linear equations in one variable are like this. 5y plus 1 is equal to 10. This is a linear equation in one variable. 35z plus 6 is equal to 100. This is also a linear equation. 36y plus 5 is equal to 6y. Now, if it is given in this way also, it is a linear equation. See that the variables are only one. Okay. Y is the variable both ways, and its power is also 1. So these are the examples. More examples will be dealt with in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.